In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add funds to your Stripe account quickly and easily. Whether you're topping up your account to manage payouts, or you simply want to make sure your balance is ready for upcoming transactions, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Once you're on the home page, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password, and then click Sign In to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that extra security step by entering the verification code sent to your device. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Stripe dashboard. This is where you can monitor all of your payments, balances, and account activities. From here, navigate to the home section if you're not already there. Then locate and click on Transactions. This is the section where you can manage all of your payments and funding options. Next, click on Create Payment. A new menu will appear with a few different options. From those options, select Manual Payment. This will take you to the page where you can add funds directly to your Stripe account. Now you'll be asked to enter a few details. First, set the payment frequency to 1 time, since we're only adding funds once. Then, type in the amount you want to add to your Stripe balance. Always double-check the number you enter to make sure it's correct. After that, fill in a statement descriptor. This label helps you identify this transaction later on if you ever need to review it. Once that's done, enter your card details carefully, including your card number and expiration date. Make sure everything is correct to avoid any processing errors. When all fields are completed, click on Submit Payment. If everything goes smoothly, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your funds have been successfully added to your Stripe account. To make sure everything works seamlessly, ensure you have a stable internet connection and that your card has sufficient balance before starting the process. Doing this can help you avoid unnecessary delays or errors. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add funds to your Stripe account easily and keep your business transactions running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.